Security forces swarm Maypen Clarendon as search intensifies for robbers.
Police's response to gun attack in Maypen under scrutiny.
And a multi-agency probe launched into the theft of 19 guns from a security company in St. James.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Archibald Gordon. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has a preview.
Thanks, Archibald. Well, what's the latest on the local medical ganja industry? Well, one scientist believes Jamaica is still lagging behind, with banks creating the greatest hurdles. I'll tell you more in the business day.
Thanks, Herman. And Jordan is here with the sports. Jordan?
Yes, Janella. Well, Table Tennis Jamaica could be facing court action from a former presidential candidate. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And tonight we're asking, what lessons do you think can be drawn from yesterday's confrontation between gunmen and the police in Maypen Clarendon?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.